See, a meat substitute that I would encourage you to try. Hey guys, would you dare me to try green jackfruit as a chicken substitute to prep a vegan meal? Well, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my video. If you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe, watch on the screen to see what I use in this jackfruit meal, prepping as if it was chicken. Here I got my green jackfruit and I washed this off under some boiling water. It is a little mushy, but not overly mushy, which is like soft. I rinsed this, added it to my bowl, then I dried. To start the boil, I added a little hint of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon brown sugar because that's my business and I wanted to. I added green seasoning, bell pepper, onion, rosemary, bay leaf, garlic, ginger. Then I added in my jackfruit after getting most of the water out of it. I used 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon Mrs. Dash garlic herb, a tablespoon Old Bay, half teaspoon Himalayan salt. I added some meat and fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, and I mixed this in. 1 tablespoon Maggi all-purpose. I did use a little hint of black pepper and half teaspoon of browning. I used some sesame seed oil also to give this a little kick or to kick this up a little notch. Then I added me some room temperature water. I seasoned this as if I was seasoning chicken for brown stew. Lots of garlic, herbs, and spices. And listen, I grew up in Jamaica and I've never had cooked jackfruit. I've had roasted jackfruit seed, boiled jackfruit, but never cooked like this. And listen, stay to the end and you will see the taste test. I added a little ketchup to help with the gravy because that's my business. And there it goes. This took 20 minutes to prepare. Vegan meal and your girl is about ready to dish her plate for dinner. Some reggae salad, some avocado on the side, and a little Jamaican style red beans and rice. And look at your girl, brown stew jackfruit. Listen, you have to watch to the end to get the whole experience. This was lit. As I always say, this was lit. My videos are lit. Don't forget to like. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're vegan, share this recipe. Brown stew jackfruit done Jamaican style, well seasoned, and listen, it wasn't salt. It has a mushy taste that over time you will get to acquire, but listen, this was lit. Look at my plate. This was lit. Another lit video for you out there. If you're vegan, yes, green jackfruit, brown stewed. Don't forget to give your girl a like. It is free. What you all waiting on? Why are you scared to give my video some like? Thank you for your support. Because you've liked, you've also subscribed. This jackfruit, brown stew jackfruit, tastes really, really delicious. I think you too should try this. Tastes really, really good. See? A meat substitute that I would encourage you to try. And this is my Sunday dinner. Tastes really good. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to give the video a like. See you soon in another video.